Today, we're going to talk about the 23 different signs that your body is deficient in vital nutrients, what you can do to address them, and natural source of these nutrients. At the end, we will talk about 3 reasons behind these deficiencies that are very important for you to know. Countless hours of research, expert insights, and a passion for promoting well-being have been poured into this video, ensuring you receive valuable information for a healthier lifestyle. Each part holds valuable insights that might just change the way you think about your health, so don't miss a single moment of this video. Let's get started. Craving ice or dirt. The reason for this is iron deficiency. Most of the time when females go through their menstrual cycle or they are anemic, they have ice or craving, but unfortunately eating ice does not correct the iron deficiency. Beef liver, red meat, and beans are good sources of iron. Often we see white spots in our nails or in someone's nails. We are very surprised and try to find out the reason for this. The main reason is our sugar. Yes, eating too much sugar or refined carbohydrates and deficiency of zinc. So you have to stop eating too much sugar. An intake of food containing zinc. Beef liver, pumpkin seeds, cashews, lentils, eggs, and sardines are rich source of zinc. There are many glands in our skin, sebaceous glands. They produce oil, which we call sebum. It is a natural process, but many people suffer from overproduction of sebum, which we called oily skin. The main reason behind this is androgen imbalance, and the key nutrient to regulate androgen is zinc. But remember, when you take too much sugar, it decreases zinc absorption. So what you have to do is to take zinc-rich food and also decrease your sugar intake. Some people say they don't consume sugar, but they are eating refined carbohydrates, due to which their sugar level increases. Cracked corners of your mouth and cracked back of your heels. Many of us get chapped heels and side corners of the mouth, and the reason for this is vitamin B2 or B3 deficiency. This happens mostly in winter, when there is no sun and we become deficient in vitamin D. Vitamin D feeds the microbes that produce vitamin B, so there is a strong connection between vitamin D and B. I have made a video on vitamin D if you want to get the information for free. I will give the link in the description. Fish, egg yolks, oranges, and mushrooms contain vitamin D. Changing your diet can help prevent vitamin D deficiency. Excessive thinking or nervous tension before you go to bed, which disturbs all our sleep, is caused by vitamin B1 deficiency. Nutritional yeast is a rich source of it. If your skin is dry, flaky, and scaly on your forehead and around your nose, it's an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency and consuming too much omega-6 fatty acid. Mackerel, salmon, flaxseed, chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acid. Also avoid fried and processed food. Yellow eyes, yellow eye and yellow skin showing were symptoms of jaundice or liver problem. Byproducts of your red blood cells are back up through the system into the bloodstream, and your skin and white part of your eyes turns yellow. It may be due to bile salt deficiency. Bile salts eliminate waste products, remove toxins, aid digestion, and also help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. So take some purified bile salts. Stay hydrated, eat fresh fruits and vegetables. The reason behind chronic cough is calcium deficiency. Basically, calcium relaxes the structure of your throat or helps in laryngeal spasm. Leafy greens, sesame seeds, chia seeds, cheese, yogurt, and many other are a rich source of calcium. Bleeding gums or red and swollen gum or bleeding nose are the symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Actually, the blood leaks due to vitamin C deficiency. So what you need to do is to eat vitamin C-rich food and avoid sugar, because your body will always take up glucose or sugar before vitamin C. Citrus fruit, such as oranges and strawberries, peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and potatoes, are source of vitamin C. Night blindness or night vision issue. It is due to vitamin A deficiency, and many people in the world vitamin A deficient because they eat refined grains and plant sources, which contain inactive form of vitamin A, beta-carotene, and it's going to be very hard for you to convert into the active form. The active form, called retinol, is obtained from animal products like dairy, fatty fish, cod liver oil, animal liver. If you are taking vitamin A and still the problem is not being solved, then it is because you have a deficiency of bile, or there may be some liver issue, due to which vitamin A is not being absorbed. The cause of chapped lips is the same as cracked heels is vitamin B deficiency. Pitting edema on the top of your foot or your ankle. The reason for this is potassium deficiency. When you take refined sugar, it retains the sodium level in your body and reduces potassium. Many diabetics also face this problem when the blood sugar level in their body becomes high. Leafy greens, salad, dried fruits like raisin and apricots, beans, avocado, banana, orange, tomato, coconut water are rich source of potassium. Chest pain, which we also call angina that moves to the left side, is actually vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E is present grains. All the vitamin E is lost in the refining process, and when we eat products of these grains, our body becomes vitamin E deficient. Due to this, calcium clots are formed in the arteries and we get panic attacks, which is very problematic. Vitamin E also present in plant oils such as olive oil, sunflower oils. Leg cramps are caused by magnesium deficiency. It can also be caused by potassium and sodium deficiency, but the main cause is magnesium deficiency, and we know that magnesium is abundant in green plants. Asthma or lung inflammation can be caused by vitamin D deficiency. Often, we have observed in children that they have lung inflammation in winter, but when they play in the sun in summer, they get better. So, this is vitamin D deficiency. If you don't have an outer eyebrow, then it is due to a thyroid problem which is caused by iodine deficiency. Due to iodine deficiency, your thyroid hormones T4 and T3 are not produced properly. Cow's milk and dairy products, eggs, sea fish, and shellfish are good source of iodine. We can also get iodine from plant source, such as cereals and grains, but the levels vary depending on the amount of iodine in the soil where the plants are grown. There can be many reasons for hair loss, but one of the main reasons is vitamin D deficiency. Pain underneath the right rib cage or tightness shows gallbladder problem and lack of bile salt. Nightmares cause fear emotions is due to vitamin B1 deficiency. Amygdala in our brain control our emotions. It also has thiamine receptors, so if you take vitamin B1 thiamine, you'll feel better. The reason for chips craving at night is sodium deficiency in your body, so use sea salt, not sodium chloride. Lower back pain is due to vitamin D deficiency, especially in winters. Vitamin D is one of the best things to get rid of inflammation. Take vitamin D right before the bed or at meal. Depression may be due to vitamin D deficiency. Neurotransmitters like serotonin also has receptor for vitamin D. Now let's talk about 3 reasons why you people become nutrient deficient. Number 1 is you are not eating right food or eating refined food or food that grown in poor soil, or you are eating too much sugars. Number 2 is gut inflammation, which is also called malabsorption. And if you want a complete guide on inflammation, so click the link in the description. This video is for informational purposes and for your guidance only. Consult your healthcare professional for a dosage recommendation if needed. Number 3 is you are missing a gallbladder or don't have a bile salt due to which fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, and K are not absorbed. You can explore and buy some essential and nutritious products on Amazon by clicking the link in the description.